Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I do a short little video. Everybody wonders about how to change tail lights and brake lights and that sort of thing, like on these Rams. This is a 2020 Ram. You can see the tailgate clip here. You can remove that. I already pulled one of the plugs out. The plug is, so the first piece you got to pull out is this right here. Then you got a second plug. It's this piece right here. Then you have to remove this bolt right here, and then you got to come down here, remove that one, that plug as well, and that bolt. All it takes is a little T20 Torx and one of these El Cheapo plastic plug removers, door trim remover, whatever they want to call it. I think is what they actually call it, is a door trim remover, for all the plastic plugs. Sometimes you get a whole kit of plugs that look like that. So just filming this one-handed, so we'll take the rest of the part, and then some 7443 Sylvanias. That's what I'm going to put in for this tail light that's blown out. Hopefully there's no wiring issues and it's just a tail light. We'll soon find out. So to remove the plug, just simply get underneath that tall part and gently bring it out. Or I should say the plug-in part, male part. Then you got this other plug, just simply work it out. And then take here's the other item with it. It has two of these little plugs, which lines up with, I'm trying to get it in the camera, lines up with that plug and that plug right there. And then while I got this apart, I might as well clean all this dirt out of here, and also maybe even hit this part of the tail light's this top one, and you simply have to twist it and then pull it out. There's your bulb, so we'll go ahead and replace that bulb. So there you go. There you go. I just replaced that bulb. This one's got burned out, filament in it, so that's junk. And turn the lights on and it works. So we'll put it all back together. So we got everything back running. Light works. Hit that area a little bit of the box with some Cosmoline that I had laying around. It's winter time in Wisconsin, so you know what that brings is snow and salt and garbage. So this is one of the rigs that gets us up and down the road. We've got two trucks that we can get to the track and stuff like that. And I know this isn't karting related, but in some ways it is karting related, because this is what gets us to the track. So let's put this thing back together. And so the plugs are kind of nasty little things to put back together. You just got to kind of twist them. They'll actually slide right in there, and just press it in. So there you go. That's how you replace that tail light that's burned out in the back end of your truck. Do the same for the brake lights. See so many people driving up and down the road without any brake lights, no tail lights, that sort of thing. Just a little bit of elbow grease and you take care of it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming over to the channel quite a bit. I got a lot of video coming up from the 61 Cartway VKA's event there, held at 61 this past fall, VKA Del Mar. Also got video coming still from Newcastle The Vintage Karting Association was there and earlier in the summer, and I'm just now getting all that video finished up. So then we're working also on the first trip down to VKA Concept Haulers. That's Norway, Sheridan, Illinois. Track's probably changing the name again because the ownership has changed there at that track. Don't know what they'll be called next year. But got video from that. I'm starting to get that put together and edited. Lots of video yet to come. So, and lots more work this winter on the carts, getting the engines and getting some of the other things tuned up. Thanks for watching the channel. Appreciate it.